I like to work with my hand, and ever since I was little, I took a construction class too, and we made a doghouse, and I realized since that day that I wanted to do construction work. I didn't think I was going to be the only girl here. I honestly thought there was going to be more female, so I like to stick out and work as hard as the guys do, so I can prove myself that I can be like them.
Every time I tell somebody that like this is what I'm interested in, it's always like, oh, that's a man's job, that's a man's job. But then when I show them videos of my lab, they're like, oh, you can really do that. I'm like, yeah, I can. And
in this last year, I learned that even though I was the only girl, I could do what these guys do. I think I feel really proud to be in my family, like the first generation to be in the construction world, because well, most of my family, they're like, oh, you can't do that, you're a female.
I hope like I'm a role model for my sisters and my family when I grow up, because I just want them to know that even though you're a girl and it's like hard growing up, that you have something that you can do. Like you don't have to limit yourself to what the world thinks. Like you have a chance to be something bigger.
If you can do whatever you want as long as you put your mind to it. And for myself, like what I want to do is go to construction, be a supervisor, and be like, you know, show them that any woman can, and that just because you're a woman doesn't mean you can't.